Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about your oil access door. And they've been the same across the whole line, from the AA ones all the way up through the Tigers. The blue one right there was from the Patriot. Here's the one that Rich Harrison made many years ago when he lost his in College Park, Maryland, and made out of 32 thousandths. The real ones are made out of 64 thousandths. But anyway, stay tuned as we talk a little bit more about the oil door and its access. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, this was an option from the Yankees on forward in a lot of the two-seaters, that you could have an oil access door so you didn't have to remove the whole cowling. And as you can see, this one we have from Ken's old stock has the hinge there. We have a new hinge, but we're missing the latch. The latch is available from Aircraft Spruce, and Rich was nice enough to provide us the part number and all for it, but it's the same latch that's used on the Cessna, so it's not unique to Grumman's. So you buy this latch, it's $55 and some odd cents. Here's what it looks like. You rivet it in place and you're good to go. So anyway, that's a little bit about that. We had a gentleman out west who landed someplace the other day for fuel, and this is what his cowling looked like when the line boy pointed it out to him. He was missing his oil door. Now, it is required and mandatory for flight. Now, here's one of the new hinges, and you can read the serial number right there off the side of it. But it is an MS hinge. There's no pin in it, but this is a new old stock hinge for our oil doors for all of our airplanes, from the AA1s all the way up to the Tigers. So now let's take a little bit of video. Here's when we brought them home. This is the hinge. As you can see, there's no pin in it. You want to make sure when you mount it, you want to mount it on the correct location so that the hinge body itself is pointing downward and not up into the slipstream of the air moving over the aircraft. But anyway, that's what the assembly for the oil access door all looks like. You have a hinge, you have a latch, and you have a piece of aluminum cut to size. Again, it's 5 15/16 wide. It is 8 5/8 long. Those are 2-inch radius corners. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative about the oil door. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman, whether or not you have an access door or not. And again, there's the original from the Patriot back in the day, the 4-ship prototype. Thank you.